Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Danish Ali and this video about air pollution. Pollution is now a commonplace term that our ears are attended to. We hear about the various forms of pollution and read about it through the mass media. Air pollution is one such form that refers to the contamination of the air, irrespective of indoors or outside. A physical, biological, or chemical alteration to the air in the atmosphere can be termed as pollution. It occurs when any harmful gases, dust, smoke enters into the atmosphere and makes it difficult for plants, animals, and humans to survive as the air becomes dirty. Air pollution can further be classified into two sections: visible air pollution, invisible air pollution. Another way of looking at air pollution could be any substance that holds the potential to hinder the atmosphere or the well being of the living being surviving in it. The sustainment of all things living is due to a combination of gases that collectively form the atmosphere. The imbalance caused by the increase or decrease of the percentage of these gases can be harmful for survival. The ozone layer, considered critical for the existence of the ecosystems on the planet, is depleting due to increased pollution. Global warming, a direct result of the increased imbalance of gases in the atmosphere, has come to be known as the biggest threat and challenge that the contemporary world has to overcome in a bid for survival. Types of pollutants. In order to understand the causes of air pollution, several divisions can be made. Primarily, air pollutants can be caused by primary sources or secondary sources. The pollutants that are a direct result of the process can be called primary pollutants. A classic example of a primary pollutant would be the sulfur dioxide emitted from factories. Secondary pollutants are the ones that are caused by the intermingling and reactions of primary pollutants. Smoke created by the interactions of several primary pollutants is known to be a secondary pollutant. Primary pollutants. Major primary pollutants produced by human activity. Sulfur oxides SOx, particularly sulfur dioxide, a chemical compound with the formula SO2. SO2 is produced by volcanoes and in various industrial processes. Coal and petroleum often contain sulfur compounds and their combustion generates sulfur dioxide. Further oxidation of SO2, usually in the presence of a catalyst such as NO2, forms H2SO4 and thus acid rain. This is one of the causes for concern over the environmental impact of the use of these fuels as power sources. Nitrogen oxide NOx. Nitrogen oxides, particularly nitrogen dioxide, are expelled from high temperature combustion and are also produced during thunderstorms by electric discharge. They can be seen as a brown haze dome above or a plume downwind of cities Nitrogen dioxide is a chemical compound with the formula NO2. It is one of several nitrogen oxides, one of the most prominent air pollutants. This reddish brown toxic gas has a characteristic sharp, biting odor. Carbon monoxide CO is a colorless, odorless, toxic yet non-irritating gas. It is produced by incomplete combustion of fuels such as natural gas, coal, or wood. Vehicular exhaust is a major source of carbon monoxide. Volatile organic compounds VOCs are a well-known outdoor air pollutant. They are categorized as ether methane CH4 or non-methane NMVOCs. Methane is an extremely efficient greenhouse gas which contributes to enhanced global warming. Other hydrocarbon VOCs are also significant greenhouse gases because of their role in creating ozone and prolonging the life of methane in the atmosphere. This effect varies depending on local air quality. The aromatic NMVOCs benzene, toluene, and hexylene are suspected carcinogens and may be lead to leukemia with prolonged exposure. 1,3-butadiene is another dangerous compound often associated with industrial use. Persistent free radicals connected to airborne fine particles are linked to cardiopulmonary disease. Toxic metals such as lead and mercury, especially their compounds. Particulates alternately referred to as particulate matter (PM). Atmospheric particulate matter or fine particles are tiny particles of solid or liquid suspended in a gas. In contrast, aerosol refers to combined particles and gas. Some particulates occur naturally, originating from volcanoes, dust storms, forests, and grassland fires, living vegetation, and sea spray. Human activities such as burning of fossil fuels in vehicles, power plants, and various industrial processes also generate significant amounts of aerosols. Increased levels of fine particles in the air are linked to health hazards such as heart disease, altered lung function, and lung cancer. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.